Digital multimeter, DMM. Function switches for changing mode of digital multimeter. DC measurement, jack. Resistance measurement, DC voltage measurement, AC voltage measurement, LCD display. Continuity measurement. Digital multimeter is the combination of voltmeter, for measuring voltage, ammeter, for measuring current, and ohmmeter, for measuring resistance, in one device. Basically, digital multimeter is a multifunction device for measuring AC or DC voltage, current, resistance and continuity etc. Digital multimeter is an example of ADC, analog to digital converter. Digital multimeter have microprocessor. Digital multimeter have buzzer for continuity measurement. For safety, in some digital multimeter there is a HRC fuse inside it. There is a LCD display for displaying measured digital values. Some components of digital multimeter are made from VLSI, very large scale integration, components. Digital multimeter have DC voltage reference ranging from 1 to 15 V. This is the reference for ADC. Inside digital multimeter there is thing like diode bridge, op-amp, comparator and oscillator etc. Digital multimeters are battery operated. Its input impedance is very high in the range of megaohms.